My name is Cherry Esther Moore. My student ID is 3225915, and this is the fall semester of 2017. Right now, I'm going to teach you how to trim your dog's nails. First thing you will need will be your clippers. Next thing you will need will be a quick stop agent or clotting agent. This can be silver nitrate, quick stop, or in my case, you can make it at home using cornstarch and flour. If you do accidentally quick your dog's nail and it starts to bleed, you're just going to want to put some of this in your hand and dip the bleeding nail into the quick stop until the blood stops coming out. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the paw and you're going to want to move out all the excess hair. And right here you can see the pink part in the animal's claw right there. That is the quick. That is filled with blood and nerves, and if you accidentally quick that, it's going to cause pain and bleeding. So you're going to want to be very careful not to make sure to quick it. Alright, Bubba, here we go. And just like that, you're going to go as far back as you can without hitting the quick, and you're going to snip. Just like that. Boy. Alright, so next paw. Right here, move the hair, slide your clippers up, there we go, and clip, just like that. Alrighty, next claw, move the hair out of the way, slide your clippers up, let's get a little more in there, and clip, and then last claw. Come here, Bubba. Just want to slide your clippers up, and click. And there we go. All done. I'm going to teach you how to trim your cat's claws. The first thing you will need are your nail clippers. And the second thing you will need will be some sort of clotting agent such as quick stop or silver nitrate. In my case, I have made homemade, which you can make very easily through flour and cornstarch mixed together. This is used just in case you do quick your cat's claw. If you do, that will cause bleeding. What you would do is put this quick stop in your hand, and you will dip the bleeding claw into your hand with the quick stop until the bleeding ceases. So what we're going to do right now is you're going to expose the claw by gently pressing on the pad, and you can see right here, after removing some of the hair, the pink part of the cat's nail right there. That is called the quick, and that is filled with blood vessels and nerves, and that is the part that we want to try our best not to clip, because if we do, it will cause pain and bleeding for the animal. So we're going to take our clippers, and we're going to go as far up on the nail without hitting the quick, and we're going to just clip like that. So there's 1, 2, 3, and, oh, come here, baby. This kitty has hairy paws. And 4. Alrighty, guys, so just like that. I'm going to teach you how to pill a dog. The first thing you're going to need is your pill, and you can hold it in between your pointer finger and your thumb. The next thing you're going to do is take your opposite hand, and with your index finger and your thumb again, you can grab the dog by the muzzle and slowly start pinching in between his teeth, and he'll open up. With this hand, pull it down, and then you're going to want to poke that pill as far back into the throat as you can get it. From then, we're going to keep his mouth shut, and we're just going to gently rub his neck until we feel him swallow. Rubbing his neck will induce him to swallow, and whenever he swallows, that's normally a pretty good indicator that the pill has gone down. So I think he's swallowed, and yeah, there we go. That is how you pill a dog. I'm going to teach you how to pill a cat. First thing you're going to need is your little pill. So you want to have this handy, and you just want to hold it in between your index finger and your thumb, just like this. Next thing you're going to want to do is grab the cat behind the ears, just like that, and pull his head up. With this finger right here, your pointer finger, you can open the cat's jaw and stick your index finger and your thumb just right like that. Then with your other hand, grab your pill just like this, and then you want to poke it down into the back of the cat's throat, just like that. Then close the cat's mouth and gently rub his throat. This will indicate that he needs to swallow, and once you feel him swallow, that means that most likely the pill has gone down. So we're just going to rub until I feel him swallow. There we go, I think he did. And then we'll wait a few minutes to see if he spits it out. If not, then there you go. You have successfully pilled a cat. So now I'm going to to teach you how to collect urine midstream. You're going to need your dog, a leash, and a ladle. What you're going to do is you're going to follow your dog out into the yard, and whenever they assume the position to go ahead and urinate, what you're going to do is wait about 1 to 2 seconds so that way you catch your urine midstream. Then you're going to want to stick the ladle right under and collect that urine. The reason we do this is because it prevents bacteria from the skin from actually getting into the urine and contaminating it. So here we go. Sometimes it may take a while if your animal, is looking for the perfect spot. There we go. That's how you collect your urine. I'm going to teach you how to apply a gauze muzzle to your dog. Right here we have just your standard 2-inch gauze. What you're going to want to do is make a fairly large loop like how I have. Then you're going to slide this over your dog's muzzle. Pull tight. Then you're going to go under and make a crisscross just right under his chin and then pull tight. With the remaining strings, you're going to take right behind the ears, and here we're going to act like we're tying a shoe. So you're going to want to make your first loop, and make sure to make this first loop intact. So just like so. And then with the second loop, we're going to want to pull it on through, so you have a one-looped bow. And this creates a quick release. We do the quick release just in case we need to get the muzzle off in a hurry. And to undo your gauze muzzle, you're going to take the bow, would have been bow, and you're just going to pull, and that will release the pressure from the muzzle. And that is how you apply a gauze muzzle to your dog.